Alright, I ordered the DJI Phantom 4 drone, and it took about a week and a half to get here, but we're gonna open it up now. Okay? I bought this off the DJI website. It was about a little over $1,300 or $1,400, something in there. Phantom 4 has GPS, navigation, long range HD, and 4K video recording possibility. Okay, to open it, it says flip, unlock, and then open it up. This is the newest technology, the new DJI Phantom 4. I had the Phantom 2 last time. What's so nice on this one is it has its own camera. Loud. Just the battery pack. Here's the SD for the camera. Comes with a bunch of propellers. Comes with the battery charger. This is the part I like. A nice spot on the remote for your phone. That's really handy to have. Another cord. Before we get started with the drone, you have to go to FAA.gov and register your drone. If you're gonna fly this thing, you have to register, and it costs $5 for me to register it. This form that has the rules, and then it gives you your official certificate of registration that I'm just going to keep in my wallet. We're going to take the plastic off the propellers. Okay, on the propellers, is that too close? On the propellers there's a black ring and there's a silver ring. And on the drone there's black dots and non-black dots. The black dots get the black ring. To hook this down, there's little springs here. Push down and turn counterclockwise to get those on. This one you gotta turn clockwise to get them on. Turn clockwise. So now all our blades are on. Check this battery pack out. It's only at 2, so we're going to plug this in and charge the drone up before we fly. Can charge both of them at the same time. The remote the remote plugs into here. So you got the same charger for all of this. So now this is charging. In the meantime, we can read the directions. And one of the biggest things, because I want this to be able to do the self-flying, but while we're waiting for that to charge, I went to DJI Go and downloaded this app, and we could watch the tutorial videos. Once that gets done charging, I'll show you in a video of us flying it for the first time.